welcome back to another video. Today is the dreaded Monday, drag, and I am on my morning walk. It's like 5:40 in the morning, and I'm on a mad dash for some beautiful sunrise videos, hopefully, over on Penobscot Avenue, over where the dock is, and hopefully get some bonus animal pictures while I'm at it. Right now it's real quiet for Wait Now, so I'm hoping that it stays like that for a bit. For the last couple of days I've been on the Water Street, so there hasn't been much over there. Yesterday I had to go on Water Street because it was raining and stuff, so I wanted to be close to home. If it started pouring out, I didn't want to be stuck in the rain or in the thunderstorm, and that would have sucked. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Cindy, and I do a lot of nature walk videos. I'm on a wellness journey, and I try to walk twice a day, and I try to eat healthy. That doesn't always go, but thank you for coming to visit me on my walk and my story time, kind of. And I walk around town, and sometimes I see animals and stuff first thing in the morning. It's starting to get cold here. This week, I think the lows are supposed to get down to like the 40s. And then the highs are supposed to be up to the 70s, I think. So I'm going to have to drag out my my fall jackets. I have like a vest. I got a vest on. It's like a fleece vest, but I have like a puffer vest. And then dig out all my flannels. I got thick flannels. Men's thick flannels is where it's at. Over to Walmart, they have thick flannels. That's some nice colors too. So yeah, I'm going on Penobscot Avenue, and oh man, the moon was out beautiful this morning. It was a full moon. So whenever there's like cool stuff going on, like a lunar eclipse, or falling stars, or a meteor shower, it always rains before, or it's super cloudy. It's such a drag, honestly, because I kind of want to see that stuff, you know. But I'm walking downtown. Looks like they're making like a shack or something. I wonder if they picked those tomatoes yet. They're like cherry tomatoes in that little garden area, and they were super ripe, and they hadn't picked them yet. That irritates me. When people make a garden, and you can clearly see that there's vegetables in there, but they don't pick them, they just let them rot. That irritates me. What's the sense of going through making a garden and stuff if you're just going to not get the vegetables? We did a garden. Let's see. We did a garden around, it was like 2020. 2020, we did one in 2021. Oh man, and we had tons of tomatoes. Oh man, it was like seeping tomatoes. And then it was hard to keep our chickens out of them, because yeah, they would dig the dirt for bugs, but they would dig the roots out so the roots would show, and then half of my tomatoes would die. Buggers. So, yeah, so I made a lot of tomato sauce. I made some homemade tomato sauce. My mother-in-law showed me how to start them because I didn't really know how. I know you cook the tomatoes down to get the water out of it and stuff, and but I didn't know how to start them. She showed me how to do it. So, oh man. Yeah, I told you the moon was out. Let's see how close I can get it. Oh yeah. That is super cool. That is neat. So, like and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell if you want. That way, every time I upload a video, you'll get it. And I hope it's these kinds of videos, you like these kinds of videos. I've been thinking of some ideas on how to edit and stuff like that, but I don't know. I'm gonna experiment a little bit. It's kind of fun though. But some of the, you know, on the internet they had this, I think it's staged, to tell you the truth. Well, anyway, during that baseball game, you know, when that guy takes the baseball from that lady and he brings it over to his son, and he's all like, oh, here you go, son. And he's like, oh, thanks, Dad. They're all like, oh, I love you so much. And then the lady comes over. She's all like, how dare you do that? That was mine. That was my baseball. How dare you? And she's like scolding the guy. And the guy's like, what the heck? And then she's all over the internet and stuff. Oh my word. Oh man, someone did an animation of it, like a cartoon animation of it. Oh man, he must be like a computer programmer or something like that, because that junk came out wicked cool. It was on X. And it was neat. Some people do the coolest stuff. It's like, how do they do that? They must have went to school, like graphic engineer or something like that. But I'm on Penobscot Avenue. You can subscribe to my channel. Bye. Hi everyone. Sorry about that abrupt departure. I said bye real quick, but there was someone coming out of their house and I don't think they want to be on my vlog. Most people don't. There's some ladies that walk. It's like 5 ladies that walk down Water Street, and I said, you want to be on my vlog? And they're like, no. I'm like, all right. I'm getting close to to where the deer is. It's like right down here. The only thing is that there's a car coming, which is a drag, because and junk. Let's see what we can come up with today. Hopefully I don't see any. I think they come down that. I think they come down that power line. Let's go down here and see. I gotta be quiet. I don't see any. I'll see. Oh man, I think there's a car coming. No, there isn't. I don't know. I don't see any. See any? No, I don't see any deer. Probably too many people coming down here. Scared them all away. Or they moved on. They could have moved on. But, yep. That's all she wrote, Louise. I'm over by this cemetery. This is an old cemetery. In 1700s. You know, they all ran away. But check this out. Now that's beautiful. See how the mist is going? Oh, now that's cool. That's neat. Get the water over there. It looks cold, huh? Yep. Like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that way every time I upload a video, hopefully you'll get it. And share this video. Share it to Facebook, X, Instagram. I don't know if you can say if you can share on Instagram. Anyway, yeah, share it to all the socials, and we'll see you in a bit. Bye. I'm over to the docks. Oh man, it's so pretty here. It's very, very quiet. There's like nobody here. Oh, did someone put that there? Yeah, the river's like super low now. Mosquito. Look at the size of that sucker. Yeah. See how the rock, how there's like different levels of wetness. So pretty though. Ugh. So gorgeous. A fog over the river and stuff. I gotta look around and see if, oh my word, look at all the people over here. There's like, you know how I'm always saying there's like little cabins over here? Man, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 trucks, and I see umbrellas and boats. Dang, I think they brought the whole family out. I think they're gonna be here for a week. That's good. Yeah. So, oh yeah, somebody's coming up. Somebody's coming up over the, I walked in behind there. Somebody's coming up. I'm glad I didn't start walking down there. It's probably from the cabins that are over by the river on the, they have like cabins on the other side there. That's where I went for a walk. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. The leaves are turning like crazy. I'll show ya. This one's an ugly one, but see. See, it's like a red color. So, I'm probably gonna go back. It's gorgeous here. And go somewhere else, I guess. I don't know where I'm gonna go. So if you like these kinds of videos, like and subscribe to my channel. Oh, look at that. Oh man, it's so, I'm sad to see summer go. I'm gonna walk down here. Let me see how far I can get down this road. Yeah, but that was the end of story time. Now we're getting into the spooky stuff. I don't know how long I'm gonna go down this road for, but right here, I gotta find some orange. Cause I don't know if people hunt down here. I don't know because it's all posted down here. So I don't know if there is hunting. If there is, it's probably on their own land. So my husband and I looked all in here because my husband's grandmother, great-grandmother, lived at the beginning of this like road. She lived to be 103 years old, and she would throw all her trash in the back. It was like a dump and stuff, so we searched all through there. I gotta be quiet. Well, see, that's where the road is right there. I'm on this dirt road. See any tracks, so that's a good thing. I see tire tracks. Like, they look pretty recent, so hopefully I don't come across some person like flipping out on me. You can't be here. Okay. I mean, you only tell me once. But it's not like I'm hunting. I heard something in there. Makes me nervous. Could be a... Oh, be a woodpecker? I hear pecking noises. Here in the Northeast in the United States, we get, I think the biggest ferocious thing that we get here is like mountain lions and bears. Can you imagine if we lived in the Amazon and you're walking in the woods like I am, and a big, like, ginormous gorilla comes bear-lassing out of the woods? It would be it for me. I'd freaking probably drop right there. I would literally shit myself. Like, my pants would be full. Man, that would be so terrifying. Oh my gosh. Here in the Northeast, it's pretty chill. The sun is coming up over the trees. They're posted all over here. See that? They probably got tree cameras all through here. See if people are going on their property and stuff. See the tracks? Looks like 2 sets of tracks. Looks like someone's been down here and back, I would guess. I'm hearing something. Yeah, birds. You can see the sun peeking up over the trees. I keep hearing sounds. And the woods are so dense. It's hard to tell. 236 minutes, or miles, 236 miles, and I've been walking for 50 minutes. Oh, see, I'm to the, I went down that way. I think that way is the original road, to tell you the truth. So, let's go this way. All the way up there, but are those tracks? Yo, these are tracks. Yo, these are deer tracks right here. See that? See that? These are deer tracks. They look maybe recent. Oh man, that would be it if I could find one down here. Because it rained all yesterday. Those deer tracks are recent. Is there any more? The deer tracks and not anything else. I'm kind of scared. I'm trying to be quiet. We got this area here. It's all open over here. I don't dare go over there though. With my luck, it'd be a freaking... I don't see any posting sign. Oh my God, did you hear that? The interstate's right over there. I think I'm gonna go back for the simple fact that I'm in uncharted territory now. So, yeah, I saw deer tracks, but I didn't see no deer. And the swamp is like right there, and the deer tracks were up here a little ways. So, yeah. I'm still, oh, there's some more deer track. See? Oh, look. They're all over here. They're all around here. It's a little tiny deer by the logs. Probably up the road here. But I don't dare go anymore. First thing in the morning. Maybe if I had my taser on me, I'd feel more comfortable, but we'll see you when I get on the main road, okay? Like and subscribe. Bye. So, I'm to the end. I was on this dirt road. Now, the road is like right there. That's Penobscot Avenue. I'm to the road now. See the docks right up there where the water is. And now I am headed home. I'm starving, man. So, oh, I finally got to 400 subscribers. Yay! Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and that means a lot. So, we'll see you later. Bye. So, I'm adding some wood here.
Aha!
That almost got my
It
hand.
tried to bite you.
Got some dry wood. We get from up the road. There's a place up the road that does, I don't know, they do like shelves or something, and they always have like extra wood out. You can go over there and get as much as you want. They have like gigantic bins and stuff. There we go.
There we go.
All right. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.